Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
Hey, it's Eseta and I'm in top 5. Top 5. Top 5.
My personality is not like that, but I would just be like, I made it here, baby.
Kenya, I'm begging. Do not bring Carter back.
Hello, designers. For your next mission, you will celebrate the diversity and creativity of Caribbean couture. You will create a couture garment that speaks to the pinnacle of Caribbean luxury. And will create a second ready-to-wear version of this design for retail. Your design must be an innovative and unique work of art tailored to suit your client's body and unique style. You will have a budget of $15,000 for fabric at Pablo's and $4,000 for trimmings at Trimmings Galore. You will have 2 days to complete this mission, and then it's catwalk time. Good luck.
I love couture, so I love, I love this.
How I interpret today's challenge is just basically a neat finished garment with a little handwork, like a little more handwork, something where a client would pay a little extra for.
I was a bit confused because usually when you hear couture, it could get confused between avant-garde at the same time. So I initially thought that we needed to do all of this, different type of craftsmanship and this really extravagant look.
I think couture is high-end. It takes a long time to make because you have to pay attention to the details. There's a lot of details.
From day one, I make it known that I love big pieces. That challenge here, even Rochelle just said to me, I don't know who would say to her though, say. I say to challenge it. We just love big pieces. Most of the accessories will be handmade, sewn on, no glue, and something nothing tacky. Once I look on it, it's supposed to say money.